Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you a new add-in for Autodesk Inventor that is recently released on MECH-Inventor. The add-in is called CC Visuality. What does it do and how it works, we will check this shortly. So I have ordered last time, so I will go to my order page at MECH-Inventor. Then I will check my order from the last time, and I have the download files there and also my license. So yeah, I already downloaded the file, so I will just go to the installer and install it. And the add-in should be installed only once. You don't have to install it each time you start your PC. So here we have our inventor. Let's just check if the add-in is loaded correctly or not. We can check that in add-ins. Just click on it and go to PM and check if it's loaded or unloaded automatically. I have showed that in the last video too, so and I will leave the link in the description. Yeah, here's test assemblies that I've prepared, and as you can see at the top of the ribbon we have a PM tab, and here are all the icons. You can change the size of it as you wish. I will just go with the standard one, and I have also added some content center parts at the top level of the assembly, and also some of them at the inner sub-assembly. I have also added a rectangular tube here to show you the difference between custom content center parts and the standard content center parts. Here we have all the buttons: hide, show, suppress, and unsuppress, and lastly settings. We will check each button shortly. Let's firstly activate the add-in. It's telling you that checking your license. At this point we need our license code. It will show up license app. Here enter your email and your license key and online activation, and your license is activated. So let's click on again, hide, and all content center parts are hidden. Show, it's shown. Now it's showing you about suppress. It's the suppress parts don't participate in the bill of material. As you can see, nothing happened to our square tube because it's custom content center parts, not standard one. We will check the difference later. For now, let me show you how to hide this windows so it doesn't appear each time. Just check don't ask separation and save it, so it won't show up again in separation and unsuppression too. I will leave it for now active because I want to show you later something. So what is the difference between custom and the standard content center parts? Let's just check it. So here we have our content center parts. Here we have our rectangular tube. It's by default as custom one. So let's check the fastener. Sorry. And we have here our bolts, and it's as a standard one. So the program or the add-in works only for standard ones. So if you have a custom content center parts, don't worry about it, nothing will happen to it. Now let me show you where this message comes from. This message comes from when you try to suppress a component in your assembly. It's the same message, the same one. It's very important, so take care of it. Once you try to suppress a component in your sub-level, it's not available, you cannot do it. But this is where the add-in is very important because it goes through all the levels. It's not restricted to one level. Now let's show you something. We have here two model states. I will just remove the master one to show you that the add-in doesn't make any change to your model state model states or representations. Just unsuppress, and your primary let me unsuppress this one for now. So it's shown. Let's do it again. Suppress. Nothing happened to your model state. Here we have also our representation and view position. Let's just remove this one and suppress. Okay, we need unsuppress, so it doesn't make any change to your model state or representations, so don't worry about that. Hiding and showing your content center actually can be achieved once you click on the default on your view. There's content center part hidden and shown, visible and hidden, but no suppression. It works only once you open your assembly. You can choose it in the options, but no more inside of the assembly once you are working and trying to check something maybe. Now let's open a presentation file, so we can go quickly through that too. Here we have the same assembly again, and we have the same tab, same icons. It works also for presentation, so you can do the same functions inside of your presentation document too. I will create a tweak, so because I want to show you something very important to take care of it regarding suppression and unsuppression. So now we have created two tweaks. Let's just click on suppress. Now it's showing you that suppressing components will delete the corresponding presentation tweaks. What does this mean? Let me show you. Here we have 4 tweaks, 2 regarding the bolt or the screw, and 2 regarding the part. Once we click suppress, the 2 tweaks regarding the bolt are removed. So please take care at this point when using suppression and unsuppression. Now let me show you something. You don't have to trigger the add-in through the buttons. It can be automated. It's like iLogic trigger. So here we have a trigger. You can choose after open a document, before saving a document. You can choose visuality, hide, show, suppression, suppress, unsuppress, whatever you want. But once you click on suppress, you don't have any option for visibility because it doesn't make any sense. Let's just save it and test it at this point. All content center parts are suppressed. Now, why suppression is very important? Suppression is very important once you are working with large assemblies, for example, and it affects your performance. So maybe you can't suppress this content center parts because you don't need it at the moment. Now let's try one thing. The other trigger after open a document. Let's choose the same one. Let's firstly maybe I can make it also for the assembly, so it works. It's the same settings for the assembly too. So let's just open the presentation again and check if it's working, and it should be suppressed. Now it's suppressed. Great. Let's open the assembly. Just open it, and it's suppressed. You can also use the buttons. It's not restricted to trigger. You can choose it. You can run the add-in whenever you want. Lastly, let's check the before save a document trigger. Save, and save the assembly. All suppressed. We are done. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or regarding this add-in or others, or if you need any help in Inventor automation, just go visit our page bluemech.de, go to contact us, write us a message, we will be glad to help you, and thanks for watching.